Using a knife can cause injury, so be careful. Place the tomatoes on a cutting board. Slice the tomatoes with a knife. Place the sliced tomatoes in an empty bowl. The tomatoes are ready. Let's prepare. Wash 6 heads of lettuce in water and place them in the empty bowl on the left. The ingredients are ready. Let's make the sandwich by pressing. Leave the bread to glow green. Place the cheese on top of the bread. Spoon the jam onto the cheese and bread. Top with ham. Top with 4 pickles. Top with 2 tomatoes. Spoon the mayonnaise over the tomatoes. Top with 2 lettuce leaves. Top with bread. Your delicious sandwich is ready.